just wanted to say, the blessed month is on its way. Been waiting all year for today. Time to come together and pray. Getting ready for sunrise, food prep and prayer time. Sending you this little message, 'cause you're always on my mind. Ramadan is here tonight. Let's make this month divine. 30 days of pure delight. Our hearts and souls align. Ramadan is here tonight. Let's make this month divine. Family gather, hold on tight. Our faith gonna shine. Group chats blowing up our end. Everyone's sharing their plans. Iftar at yours or mine. Let me know, we'll make the time. Breaking fast together, making memories forever. All of us as one, until the month is done. Ramadan is here tonight.